Neuraltext Enterprise Marketing Hub Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're looking to scale your marketing efforts with Neuraltext Enterprise offers a suite designed to optimize content creation, research, and SEO performance. But with multiple tiers and custom options, many businesses wonder, what are you actually paying for? Neuraltext Enterprise Plan is built for teams and agencies that require high-volume content generation, collaboration tools, and advanced SEO features. Pricing is custom and generally starts around per month for small teams, scaling up based on the number of users, content volume, and integrations. Unlike standard plans, Enterprise provides unlimited outputs, project management capabilities, and priority support. One standout feature of Neuraltext Enterprise is its AI-powered research assistant. Teams can generate topic clusters, content briefs, and SEO recommendations in minutes, something that could take hours manually. For example, a marketing manager could quickly create a campaign outline targeting top keywords and export it to the content team, streamlining workflow and reducing bottlenecks. Most people get this wrong, but here's why the enterprise pricing makes sense. You're not just paying for AI-generated content. You're paying for collaboration and scalability. Enterprise accounts allow multiple team members to work simultaneously, manage projects, and maintain brand guidelines across dozens of campaigns. For large teams, this can save significant time and reduce errors. Additionally, Neuraltext integrates with Google Analytics, Ahrefs, and other SEO tools, allowing teams to measure content performance directly. You can track traffic improvements, ranking changes, and engagement metrics all in one place. This makes ROI tracking straightforward and actionable. In conclusion, Neuraltext Enterprise is more than an writing tool, it's a full marketing hub. While the cost is higher than smaller plans, the combination of unlimited capabilities, collaboration features, and advanced SEO tools makes it a strong investment for enterprise marketing teams aiming to scale content efficiently and strategically.